हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण माता जी, हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Swapnil Prabhu, Sadhana Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Dandvat
Hare
Pranam.
Dandot Pranam. Mataji,
Krishna
did I
Mataji.
start a wrong meeting? No, it cannot be. Asha Mataji is there. Did I start that 8 o'clock link? No. Asha Mataji, it is our level 2 link only, no?
Yes, Mataji, level
Okay,
2 link
sir.
only.
Okay. Hare Krishna. Yes, Swapnil Prabhu and Sadhana Mataji.
Hare Krishna
Welcome.
Mataji. Sadhana
Hare
Mataji is doing Mataji Linet Prabhuji's class. She asked to join your class also
Oh,
simultaneously.
Haribol. Today is our
So,
conclusion, Prabhuji. Okay,
okay.
last class of my
Not,
level 2.
okay,
Oh,
okay,
Mataji,
Mataji.
I missed it. I wanted
No
to
worries,
have a
Mataji.
class
I will
with you
found
on
some
regular
other class also.
basis.
Generally, our class is 7 to 8, Mataji. Today there was a sudden class in Tamil, 6:30 to 8:30. And Tamil class, sorry. Because of that, I sent a message that we will start at 7:30. Hare Krishna. Yes.
Hare Krishna.
So
Mataji, will
Hare
you
Krishna.
be doing it
We'll
again?
check
Like,
other
you'll
batch
be
also,
starting
Mataji.
from chapter 1 again?
No, Mataji. Second level
Yes.
is completing. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Bol, Hare Krishna. I welcome all dear devotees on behalf of ISKCON Mangaluru, Kulai Temple, and Namanishta Prabhu. So, welcome you all. And today will be with Krishna's Mercy, our last class, right? So, what did we learn in the previous session? Previous session, we learnt about Sharanagati, right? Sharanagati, what is that verse? Shat Vidim Sharanagatim. Then the verse. After Tamil class, if I take this problem. 6 Lakshan, 6 symptoms of Sharanagati. Anukulyasa Krishnanu. That whatever is favorable in favor of Krishna. To follow that, Pratikulyasya Varjanam. Whatever is against, not in favor of Krishna, we should not do that. Pratikulyasa Varjanam. We should prohibit that. Gotritve Varnam Tata. Rakshisheti Vishwaso. Third. Rakshisheti Vishwaso. That firm faith that Krishna will protect me. Gotritve Varanam Tata. That is Krishna always, Krishna is with me. Is whatever endeavor I undertake, Krishna is always with me. Then Atmanikshepa, that is all my desires are aligned with Krishna's desire. Karpanya, humility. So if you see a person too humble, we need to understand he has surrendered to Krishna totally. And if we see somebody doing only a karma, not doing any impious activity, what Anyabhilashita Ashunyam Jnana Karmam Adi Anavritam Anukulyena Krishna Anushilanam. Nectar devotion also there is a verse, right? So whoever performs activities which will favor Krishna, what is that one phrase we always used to say? Yeah, who remembers? Always to please Krishna, for the pleasure of Krishna. Hare Krishna. Okay. Samsiddhir Haritoshanam. Atapumbir Dvijasresha Varnashrama Vibhagashaga Swanishitasya Dharmasya Samsiddhir Haritoshanam. Toshanam means satisfaction. Haritoshanam. For the satisfaction of the Hari. Whatever Varnashrama activity we do, it should be for the pleasure of Krishna. So these are the symptoms of Sharanagati, one who has surrendered to Krishna. This also we saw yesterday, Hare Krishna. So next verse, this also we saw. What is this? Arjuna is asking, Krishna asked before, right? Oh Arjuna, did you pay attention? Because Krishna got a doubt. How many times this fellow will ask, keep on asking doubt. Krishna is telling, I am told in the beginning what? what do you call that? Karma yoga. So then after that, what did he ask? Oh, Nishkama Karma yoga or that karma sannyasa, which is better? After explaining everything. So like that in every chapter, Arjuna is asking question. Krishna is not saying don't ask. Krishna is now little doubtful. Did this fellow pay attention? So he is asking, oh Arjuna, did you listen to me attentively? Is your ignorance dispelled? Beautiful answer Arjuna gives. This shows Sharanagati. Arjuna's answer is, see, beautifully he says, yes, by your mercy. That is what is very, very important. Without Krishna's mercy, nothing will happen. Even if you have to, Jnanam, Smritir Jnanam Apoham. The Smriti, memory, knowledge, Apoham, and forgetfulness. Everything happens because of Krishna's mercy only, right? Krishna knows what should we forget, what yoni we took previously, how many yonis, what all we thought, what are the unsatiated desires are there. If we all remember that, we will not be able to live life. So Krishna gives one forgetfulness. What is that? When you take another yoni, you will forget whatever happened in the previous yoni. Such a beautiful, it's a blessing, right? If we remember, we can't. With whom all we fought, what all we fought, how can we carry the dead body on our shoulder and walk? Not at all possible. So Krishna gives the forgetfulness. Memory also Krishna. If we are able to remember some words, we should have a Prakriti Kriyamanani Gunaya Karmani Sarvashaga Ahankara Vimudatma. We think, I remember everything. I did that I. So it is not the I. Balam Balavatam Chakam. Krishna gives the strength to remember. Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam. Krishna tells, I will give you that intelligence by which you will be able to come to me. So here we saw Arjuna finally said, oh Krishna, Achyuta, infallible. My illusion now has gone. Now I will not ask you anything. I have very well understood. Okay? Now I regained my memory. That is what? Smritir Apoham. So I regained my memory. Who gave? You only gave. Because of your mercy, I regained the memory. Now I am firm and free from doubt. Vitaraga, Bhaya, Krodha, everything is free. I am free from all these kalmashas. Now I am ready to prepare. I am prepared, ready to listen to your instruction. Then Krishna says, no, what is it? You remember my instruction. Remember me. Tasmat mam anusmara yudhyacha. In the beginning only Krishna told, oh Arjuna, why are you asking these many questions? Why do you want to know all these things? Just remember me and go and fight. Is it not? It will not incur any sin. What analogy Prabhupada has given for that? If you remember me, go and fight. Fighting in this war will not bind you. What is the example? 2 examples. Who remembers? Hare Krishna. When we fight at the order of supreme authority, where do people fight with the supreme order's authority? Hare Krishna.
War, Mataji, protect the nation.
In the war, border.
Dharma. Yes.
Another example, there also we kill people, but it does not bind us. Because we are killing people at the order of our supreme authority. Similarly, another place, people kill somebody, but that will not bind us, bind them.
Kshatriya, king, okay, king. That is
Police, sir.
war.
The
Yes.
internal security, police.
Yes,
And
Mataji, border security personnels, if they kill, that is not for their sense gratification. It is at the order of the supreme authority, so it will not bind. Another one is doctors. Doctors, when they perform these operations, we all know before any critical operation, they get the signature. No, by chance, if something happens during the operation, at our will only the doctor is performing the operation. So we are responsible for that loss, not the doctor. We sign and give, no. So that also will not bind, because this is done for the benefit of other human beings. Is it not? Doctors are performing the operation with a good intention that there is a chance that this soul will be revived. So it does not bind. Okay. So till here we can see. Hare Krishna. Who all have joined today? Asha Mataji. Hare Krishna. Go ahead, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yeah.
Sanjaya Uvacha Ityam Vasudevasya Parthasya cha Mahatmanah Samvadam imam ashrosham adbhutam broma harshanam Sanjaya said, "Thus I have heard the conversation of two great souls, Krishna and Arjuna, and so wonderful is that message that my hair is standing on end." Hare Krishna. Mataji.
Hare Krishna, you see how, fortunate Sanjaya is. Arjuna, of course, okay, Saka, Cheti, Anaga, so many qualifications Arjuna has got to see Krishna, to hear Bhagavad Gita. But Sanjaya, see, just with one mercy. What is the mercy he was able to see? What is the mercy of, whose mercy to Sanjaya he was able to see?
Vyasdev.
Vedavyasji.
Yes, Vyasadeva. Vyasadeva gave him that Jnana Chakshu. Premanjana Churita Chakshu Vilochanena Sanda Sadeva Hridayeshu Vilokayanti Yam Shyama Sundaramachintya Gunaswarupam Govindamadi Purusham Tamakam Bhajami Prema Anjana Churita. So the Lord gave that vision filled with love. That is why he was able to see what all he saw. You see, Vishwarupa Darshanam he saw, universal form. Before that, Vibhuti Yoga, whatever Krishna told, I am the best of everything. He was able to hear that, and he was able to see even the Shyama Sundara form. Krishna told in the chapter, 11th chapter towards the end, oh Arjuna, even great devotees don't get to see this form. He said, right, when Krishna was bewildered with that Vibhuti Yoga, he said, oh Krishna, sorry, now I can't hold you anymore. So can you please show me your Vishnu form? He showed 4 and he was not satisfied with that also. Madana Mohana Mohini. That means even, Madana Mohan, Krishna is Madana Mohan. Madana Mohana Mohini. Radha is attracted by that Krishna. And he's all attractive. Krishna is all attractive. So Arjuna wanted to see that all attractive form. And in that, merciful, with the Vyasadeva's mercy, Sanjaya was able to see. So what he is saying, his goosebumps he got, his hair stood, and he was not able to believe himself. I had Krishna's Shyama Sundara form darshan, like that he could not believe. Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
In the beginning of Bhagavad Gita, Dhritarashtra inquired from his secretary Sanjaya what happened on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. Entire study was related to the heart of Sanjaya by the grace of his spiritual master Vyasa. The conversation was wonderful. Such a divine conversation between two great souls had never taken place before and would not take place again. The Supreme was speaking about himself and his energies to the living entity, Arjuna. Arjuna was a great devotee and a friend of Lord. If we follow in the footsteps of Arjuna to understand Krishna, then our life will be happy and successful. Realizing this, Sanjaya related the conversation to Dhritarashtra. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Wonderful message this is. What is that? Shravanam Kirtanam. Conversation. Secondly, Krishna is telling, Arjuna is hearing. Arjuna is asking, Krishna is telling. So that Shravanam Kirtanam, the first 2 angas of Bhakti. Secondly, very important, Tadvidhi Pranipatena Pariprashnena Sevayam Upateshanti Te Jnanam Jnanina Tattvadarshinaga. But Krishna was accepted as Guru by Arjuna in the 2nd chapter 2.7 only. Karpanya Dosha Partha Swapa. He says, no, Shishyaste Agam Chadi Mantvam Prapannam. So once we get our Guru, what is the duty of the Shishya? Tadvidhi Pranipatena Pariprashnena. Very, very humbly, we have to ask question. That's what is happening in Bhagavad Gita. Arjuna is going on asking question after question, chapter after chapter, and Krishna is answering. So, any knowledge, this is known as descending knowledge. There are 2 types of knowledge. Listen carefully. One is ascending, another one is descending. Ascending knowledge means what? With our own effort, this Shastra, we read that Shastra, we hear that lecture, this lecture. So many things we hear and accumulate knowledge. And we try to find out of this knowledge, which is properly proven by Shastra, where is the evidence? Like that, if we have to analyze, and reach the absolute truth, how long it will take. Kali Yuga, it is not possible. Prana alpa ayuha, yuga sabhyakha, kalau asmin, we keep fighting only. Kalau asmin yuge janaha, in this yuga, people keep fighting. Manda sumanda matayo, they have very, very limited knowledge, dull intelligence. Mandabhagya Hupatritaha. Very, very unlucky people, Mandabhagya. Hupadritaha always live in distress. So is it possible? Ascending. See, one best beautiful example, Srila Prabhupada says, if we want to know who is our father, okay, we know what is the source, but still we won't go, we won't accept the Shastra. What is that verse? 16th chapter, last two verse, you remember, Yes Shastra Vidhi Musrijya Vartate Kana Karanadaga. Tasmat Pramanam. So, yes, Shastra Vidhi Mutsrijya. One who does not understand, read, believe the Shastra, they are like Asuri people. And one who understands the Shastra. So that means to understand the Shastra, what is the best way? Similarly here, to understand our father, instead of going and taking test, all possibility collection, which gene is matching with mine. Yeah, so first filter water, filter after filter. We come finally, even if we find out, there will not be one person. Many gene may be missing. After that, one we have to assume. So that is Anumana Pramanam. So Pratyaksha Pramanam, Anumana Pramanam. Pratyaksha, direct evidence. Anumanam, assumption. So this Aroha, that is, what do you call that? Ascending order. Ascending order knowledge is not recommended because it is not based on the Shastra. Descending knowledge. Descending knowledge means what? What comes from the Goloka. Lord Krishna gave it directly to whom? We have seen this verse so many times.
Brahma ji.
Brahma. Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kavaye. Correct? Tene Brahma. So directly Brahma gave this knowledge to, Krishna gave this knowledge to Brahma. Brahma gave it to Narada. So Vyasadeva. So Parampara. It is coming in Parampara. That is what is Tadvidhi Pranipatena Pariprashnena Sevayam Upateshanti Te Jnanam. We have to take their Upadeshan, their advice. Who? Jnani Nat Tattvadarshinaha. They are the Tattvadarshis. They are the self-realized souls who have come in Parampara. So that is the descending knowledge. Ascending knowledge is not proved by Shastra. Okay, Hare Krishna. So this conversation method is the best method. But see, actually in the conversation, even the Vakta means what? Whoever is giving the, sharing the knowledge, they are also Krishna. Whoever is hearing is also Krishna. What we hear, what we say is also Krishna. That is the beauty in this, what is that? The knowledge which we get in Parampara. The served, the server. All are Krishna. We saw so many examples. You remember, we have already seen Bhagavatam examples. Okay, Hare Krishna. So, the realizing this Sanjaya related the conversation to Dhritarashtra. Okay, Dhritarashtra also was in a way, he was also a devotee. Dhritarashtra, Kamsa, who is that? Hiranyakashipu. They all are always in Krishna's memory. But they are in the, negatively they are remembering Krishna. How can I kill him? Which asura I can send to kill Krishna? So negatively they are thinking. But devotees are always remembering Krishna by doing a karma, serving at the lotus feet of Krishna. Hare Krishna. Yes, next is who has joined? Ritvika Mataji, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna Mataji, Ritvika Mataji, are you there? Okay, we will come back then. Sadhana Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Sorry. Yes, Ritvika Mataji, go ahead. Sadhana Mataji later. Sorry, Mataji. Vyasa
Hare Krishna,
Prasada,
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Bhagavad Gita 18.75. Vasha Prasada.
Mataji, would you like to repeat after me? Can I?
Yes, Mataji.
Vyasa Prasada Shrutavan.
Vyasa Prasada Shrutavan.
Etad Guhyam Aham Param.
एतत् कृत्यम् अहं परम्
Yogam Yogeshwarat Krishnat
योगं योगेश्वरात् कृष्णात्
Sakshat Katayatat Swayam.
साक्षात् कथयथ स्वयं.
Yes.
By the mercy of Vyasa, I have heard this most confidential talks directly from the master of all mysticism, Krishna, who was speaking personally to
Yeah.
Arjuna.
Hare Krishna. Krishna is described here as what? Master of all mysticism. Right? See, he climbs all the wherever these gopis used to hide the makkan, butter. And gopis used to forget. After seeing Krishna, Krishna is coming and very innocently asking, "Can you please give me little butter? Your butter is the best butter, in the whole Vrindavan. Makkan lagana, we say, no? So makkan pane ke liye makkan lagate hain." And the gopis so carried away in that. And yes, Krishna, come, I will give. And after seeing Krishna, Gopi forgets. She hides somewhere so that Krishna does not come and see it. And she herself forget. So Krishna will tell, "Oh, you want to know where you have hidden? Yeah, I'm looking for that. Come here. I will show you." Krishna takes them and shows the place. See, here is what you have hidden it. See, master of mysticism. And so beautiful. Krishna book and the 10th chapter, it's ever satiating. We can keep reading. Okay. So like that master of mysticism who was speaking personally to Arjuna. Arjuna is so blessed because Arjuna is none other than Vishaka Saki. So Krishna brings all his Nitya Siddhas. When he comes, Avajananti Mamuda Manusham Tanam Ashritam Parambhavam Ajanando Mama Bhuta Maheshwaram. When I come in this human form, the ignorance do not understand. Because we are coming. Sangopanga Parshade. When the Lord comes, he brings all his devotees. They come in, the whole battalion comes here. Right? So in that Vishaka Saki has come as Arjuna. So Arjuna knows everything. In order to teach us a lesson, in order to bring Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna is going on asking doubt after doubt. Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Acha,
Yes, Ritvika Mataji, go ahead.
Okay, Mataji.
One has to.
One has to understand Krishna through the spiritual master. Sanjay understood the Supreme Lord by the mercy of his spiritual guru Vedayasha. Meditation of the bona fide spiritual master is very important, though understanding through experience is direct. This is the mystery of the disciplic succession. Although there are many mystics and yogis all over the world, but Krishna is the master of all. Yoginam api sarvesham.
What is that verse? Anybody knows? Loknath Prabhu is there? No. Yes, Mataji. Yoginam api sarvesham matkatenandaratmana shraddhavan bhajate yomam tame yukta tamo mataha. Yoginam api sarvesha. He is the greatest, topmost yogi of all other yogis. Who are the other yogis? Karma yogi, Ashtanga yogi, Jnana yogi, isn't it? Out of all, even Bhakti yogi. So, but Krishna is Yoginam api sarvesham. Above all. Hare Krishna. Last verse of 6th chapter. Yes, Mataji.
Bhagavad Gita propounds surrender unto Krishna. One who does so is the topmost yogi.
Hare Krishna. So surrender unto Krishna we saw day before. Sarvadharman paritajnya mamekam sharanam vrajagam tvam sarva papebhyo moksha yikshayami ma shuchaga. Yes. Hare Krishna. Sadhana Mataji. Go ahead, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
I read from here by the grace of
one more verse is coming in the next slide. So you continue, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. By the grace of Vyasa, Sanjay's senses were purified. He could see and hear Krishna directly. One who directly hears Krishna can understand this confidential knowledge. If one does not come to the disciplic succession, he cannot hear Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I think first 3 points, did you read, Mataji? Narada is a direct disciple.
No, I didn't read that.
Yes, Mataji, first
Sorry,
thing.
I'll read.
Yeah.
One second, Mataji. Narada is the direct disciple of Krishna and the spiritual master of Vyasa. Therefore, Vyasa is as bona fide as Arjun because he comes in the disciplic succession. Sanjay is the direct disciple of
Yes.
Vyasa
Hare
by the grace
Krishna.
of
Yes, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. See,
Hare
how is Vyasadeva is incarnation of Lord. The Lord wanted to give us the Vedas, isn't it? So the Lord only incarnated as Vyasadeva. How is it written? Narada is the direct disciple of Krishna and the spiritual master of Vyasadeva. How is it? Hare Krishna. Okay. That is, Narada is Brahma's son. Is it not? So,
Yes, Mataji.
in the hierarchy level, if we see, Narada is before Vyasadeva. So Vyasadeva has accepted him as spiritual master under two circumstances. One is when he had to write the Bhagavatam. Vyasadeva was so, morose in the sense he was thinking how much knowledge I have given, Vedas I have given, 4 Vedas, Vedantas, Puranas. After writing everything also, he was feeling vacuum. He was feeling in his heart, I have not done the right job. Something, because people are not motivated to follow Bhakti Yoga. Where did I go wrong? At that time, Narada Muni comes. So Narada Muni motivates Vyasadeva by telling his own story, how he became Narada. It's a big story. So to cut it short, at the order of Vyasadeva, at the order of Narada, Vyasadeva gave us the Bhagavatam. So Narada Muni told Vyasadeva, oh, whatever you have written, it's all about few fruitive activities. Karma Bandhan. The Vedas give us the activities which will bind us. Vedas compel pious activities in pious. These activities have to be performed. These activities have to be prohibited. So the prescribed activities all for karma pala. Everybody does that. Even any yajna we do, we will expect something and do. But bhakti is not like that. Bhakti is agaituki and apratigata, unmotivated and uninterrupted. So he tells, you did not give this knowledge. What is bhakti? What is association? Who are Lord's devotees? And how they reach Lord's abode. So Narada motivated Vyasadeva to write Bhagavatam. So Bhagavatam is none other than Krishna himself. Krishna Swadama Upagato Dharma Jnana Adibhigi Saha and Kalau Nashte Drishamesho Purano Arko Adhuno Uditaha. When Krishna went to his abode with Dharmam, Jnanam, Adibhigi Saha, what happened? Everybody is asking, oh Krishna, where will Dharma take shelter? Oh, don't worry. Dharma will take shelter in this Bhagavatam. Bhagavatam is Lord's Purana. What is a literature avatar? Literature incarnation. So at the order of Narada Muni, Vyasadeva wrote the Bhagavatam. So he accepted him as his guru. Guru's order he obeyed and gave us the Bhagavatam. Hare Krishna, Sadhana Mataji read this verse also. 18.76.
Right, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Rajan samsmritya samvadam imam adbhutam keshavarjuniyoh punyam krishyami cha muhurmuhu. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada, Jai Srila Prabhupada. O King, as I repeatedly recall this wondrous and holy dialogue between Krishna and Arjun, I take pleasure being thrilled at every moment. Hare Krishna. Shall I read the...
Yes, Mataji finished this slide.
Yeah. Hearing Gita from the right source, directly from Krishna, one attains full Krishna consciousness, becomes increasingly enlightened, enjoy life with a thrill every moment.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
So Sanjay got this pleasure of hearing and seeing. So you can understand how thrilled that moment will be. So hearing Bhagavad Gita from the right source. We should not hear from non-devotee. Yesterday, what example I told? You remember what do you call that? Padaparichaya. I gave four words. Sarpa Uchishta Tato Payaha. It is like hearing the Bhagavatam from non-devotee. Bhagavad Gita from non-devotee is equal to Sarpa Uchishtaha. Tato Payaha. Paya is doodh. Sarpa is snake. Uchishta means remnants, left out.
Remnant.
So if a snake by mistake also touches slightly the bowl of milk, we can't drink it. It is poisonous. Similarly, non-devotees, if they give any pravachan of these scriptures, we should not hear. It is equal to drinking the poison. Hare Krishna. So Sanjaya is overwhelmed that he could hear from the right source, exactly right source, Krishna himself. Is it not? Sadhana Mataji, I'll come to you, Mataji. Just we'll finish. Only 3 more slides are there. We will finish and come to you. Is it okay, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji. Yes,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna.
Hare
Yes. Vamshidhar Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Prabhuji.
Tachasa samsmritya rupam ati adbhutam Hariya vishayo me mahan rajan rishyami cha punah punaha.
Where is
O
the
King,
translation?
as I remember the wonderful form of Lord Krishna, I am struck with wonder more and more, and I rejoice again and again.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. So, Sanjay is saying, I can never forget this. He himself is considering himself as so blessed. Because who will get this moment of hearing from Krishna himself? So he is telling Dhritarashtra that I remember the wonderful form. What is that? Tribhangi, that Shyama Sundara form. Tribhangi, in 3 places he is tilted, right? And I am going on remembering that moment and rejoicing myself. That will never go. In fact, Gopi is scold Brahma. Oh, Brahma, you don't know how to create also. When we keep seeing Krishna's form, when we see him, this, that what you call that, eyebrows, it comes and closes, yeah. And that moment we are not able to see Krishna. So can't you give that eyelash which will never blink? That is how they say. So every moment is blissful, seeing Krishna. So Sanjay is also saying that only. What a wonderful experience I had. Yes, Prabhuji, go ahead. Vamshidhar Prabhu, Sanjay also, you are on mute.
Mataji, I am audible?
Yeah. Now,
Sorry,
yes, Prabhu.
Mataji, unmuted.
Tell.
Sanjay also, by the grace of his Guru Vyasadeva, saw the universal form of Krishna. Krishna had exhibited such a form to Arjuna only. Same great devotees, including Vyasadeva, also saw the universal form of Krishna. He was one of the great devotees of Lord and a powerful incarnation of Krishna. Sanjaya remembered that wonderful form of Krishna and enjoyed it repeatedly.
Hare Krishna. You remember in the universal form Vishwarupa Darshanam when he gave, even the Devatas were saying from there. Because Vishwarupa Darshanam, that effulgence was, it spread all the other higher planetary system. So all the Devatas were seeing in Krishna them only. Because in the universal form, all the Devatas were there, Panchamagabhutas were there, every living entity was there, isn't it? So that's what some great devotees, including Vyasadeva, also saw the universal form of Krishna. They were also blessed to see Krishna's universal form. But universal form is material form. Universal form is temporary form. It is not the permanent form. Spiritual form, transcendental form is, okay, maybe 4-handed Vaikuntha, but the most, which is not possible to get as per Krishna's word. Even the greatest sage, yogi, also will not be able to see my Shyama Sundara form. So obviously, Sanjaya will be very, very extremely overwhelmed, isn't it? Yes, Hare Krishna. All of you repeat this with full energy. Last verse of Bhagavad Gita. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno.
Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno.
Yogeshwara Krishno.
Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaga.
Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara.
Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaga.
Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara.
Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhuter.
Tatra Shri
Vijayo Bhute.
Dhruvani Tirma Tirmama.
Dhruvani Tirmati Mama.
Hare Krishna. Actually, we should tell this 3 times. Viraj Prabhu, can you recite and then read the translation?
Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Viraj Prabhu, are you there? Hare Krishna. Yes, Prabhu.
Only translation or the shloka?
You can read the shloka also.
Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno Yatta Partho Dhanurdharaha Tatra Shrir Vijayo Bhutir Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama.
And now all of you together one more time, because this verse we have to recite 3 times. All of you recite together. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, start Mataji. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha Tatra Shrir Vijayo Bhuti Bhuvani Tirmatir Mama.
Hare Krishna. Yes. Viraj Prabhu, read the translation, please.
Wherever there is Krishna, the master of all mystics, and wherever there is Arjuna, the supreme archer, there will also certainly be opulence, victory, extraordinary power, and morality. That is my opinion.
Hare Krishna. That is why wherever Krishna, we know very well. Why did Krishna select, why did Arjuna select Krishna? You know that story, right? That when Yuddha, Krishna went as a Shanti Duta and Duryodhana tried to catch him and all. And that time, after that, of course, Krishna, that big cage came and somehow Krishna threw everybody out and Duryodhana called him for Chappan Bhog. Krishna said, no, no, no. He went to Vidur's home. He enjoyed that banana peel. He came back all over. It was decided that yes, the yuddham is that a war is going to take place. So immediately next day, early morning, Duryodhana went when Krishna was sleeping. And Krishna will not sleep, we know that. But yes, he is master of mysticism. Just now we saw in the previous slide. Here only, master of all mystics. So he was acting as if he was peacefully sleeping. Duryodhana, we know, filled with pride. So he went and above Krishna's that head side, there was a chair. Aram se Duryodhana went and sat down. Our Arjuna came. Arjuna is Krishna's devotee. So what will he do? Pada Sevanam. He sat near the feet. Obviously, any person opening their eyes, will they turn 180 degrees, see, and who is above the head, or immediately their sight will fall at the feet. So he saw Arjuna first. So we know that story. He told 2 options. My Akshayani Yonisa army is there. Otherwise, I am there, Nirayatapani. I will not touch the weapon. And Arjuna was given the first opportunity. Duryodhana fought. Krishna said, oh, Duryodhana, it's okay. You might have come first. He's your Anuj. He's younger to you. Always we should give first preference to the younger one, smaller one, small kids, we say, no? So let me ask him. Duryodhana was dil dhadak raha tha. And our Arjuna said, Krishna, yatra Yogeshwara Krishno. Wherever Krishna is there, their victory is there. He knew that. So he said, Krishna, I want you only. Duryodhana was, no, outwardly he was showing some anger or something. But inwardly he was thinking, what a foolish person he is. So many Akshayani Sena he has got. Arjuna said, no. And this Krishna, that too, he promised he will not touch the weapon. But Krishna knew Arjuna knew wherever Krishna is there, the victory is there. Hare Krishna. So now, takeaway messages from Bhagavad Gita, plenty. 3 realization. Atma, that is Brahman realization. I am not the soul. I am the soul. I am not this body. I am the soul. That means we are spirit, souls. Second chapter. It starts, right? What is that? 2.13, Loknath Prabhu is not there. 2.13, who knows? Dehinosmin yata dehe. Yes, Viraj Prabhu.
औराडं यौवनं जरा तथा देहा परं प्राप्ति धीरस्तप्राणमुह्यति
Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhuji. So, Dehinosmin yata dehe kaumaram ivanam jara tata dega antara praptim. Whenever there is an end to this body, I transmigrate into another body. That is Brahman realization. I am the soul. I am not this body. Then comes Paramatma realization. Then Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And process, we saw no Sambandha, Abhideya, Prayojana. So Sambandha is what? We are Krishna Samsa. Mamaivamsho Jivaloke Jiva Bhuttat Sanatanaga Managa Shashtran Indriyani Prakritistanir Karshati 15.7. We all are part and parcel of Krishna. We all are the soul. These souls are Anu, Paramatma, and Krishna Vibhu. We are small, they are big. Then the Sambandha knowledge. Once we know what is our relation with Krishna, how to reach him. How to reach him, what is the best? So many verses are there. The best verses of process are 10.9 and 10. What is that? Machita madgata prana bodhayanta parasparam katayantasya mam nityam. Always talking the glories of the Lord. What is the next verse, Sadhana Mataji? 10.10.
तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन माम् उपयन्ति ते.
Hari Bol. This is Apratigata Bhakti. Satatam. No interruption. Continuously. Bhajatam. One who worships me. This worship is not puja. This is aradhana. And they will all come to me. What is the prayojana? Next verse. 10.11 Mataji.
तेषाम् एवानुकम्पार्थम् अष्टम् अज्ञानजं
Akam ajnanajam tamaha.
जं तमः नाशाम्य आत्मभावस्तो ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वतः.
Hari Hari Bol. Krishna dispels the darkness and he lights the lamp of knowledge. That is the prayojana, isn't it? So devotional service is the best process. What is the prayojana? Attain Krishna. One who knows that I am Divyam. What is the verse? Hare Krishna. 4.2, 4.9. Yes.
ज्ञानकर्मा च मे दिव्यम् एवं यो येति तत्त्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नैति माम् एति सो Arjuna.
Hari Bol. One who knows that my activities are Divyam, they will come to me and they will never come back. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Krishna
Krishna.
Krishna Hare Hare
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama
Rama
Rama.
Rama Hare Hare
Vancha kalpatarubhyasya kripa sindhubhyayev cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta Kodi Vaishnava Vrinda ki.
Jai
Srila Prabhupada ki.
Jai
Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki.
Jai
Ramanishra Prabhu ki.
Jai
All dear devotees ki. Jai.
Jai
Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. I thank every devotee on behalf of ISKCON, Mangaluru, Kulai Temple. Such a wonderful journey you all have